Is software dead?
Well, software is not dead. I think if you you really have to define what dead means in that context. Has software come down a lot? Absolutely. Software going away as a service? Absolutely not. So the valuations and the multiples were too high, and because the terminal value is being questioned, it is appropriate to kind of take them down. And it's not that the business itself is going away or revenue is going to be zero tomorrow. It's just that the valuations that people are willing to pay are just not as fancy.
This is no longer a high multiple sector.
Exactly.
Is there a sector now that does take on that higher multiple because of the disruption we're discussing?
Well, so I think it is really going to be more about the sectors of the economy, like banking, for example, where you have substantial tailwinds, deregulation, capital relief, and things like that, where you don't have headwinds like software has from AI and all the other market narratives. So I think more fundamentally driven businesses where multiples are low probably get to a higher level, and that sort of helps the index investor.
What is this? Is this what a soft landing feels like? Well,
that's exactly the point. I mean, we have been waiting for this soft landing for 3 years, and it is arriving, and we can't just take it. If you look at inflation has been going down, it's stabilizing. Probably not. It will probably continue to go down, albeit slowly. Growth is decent. The tariff picture is it was last year's thing. It's kind of getting rolled back slowly but surely. I think things from an economic standpoint are probably as good as they have been in a long time. Along all the attributes, and we just don't like it.
If this is a soft landing, then isn't there a discrepancy between assets that are priced for reacceleration and a reality which is something that looks very different?
Well, so I don't think assets are priced for significant reacceleration. I think because if you look at cyclicals, they aren't as kind of high multiple as they should be if we were really looking for 4 or 5% type growth. So I think those are the stabilization of the economy probably helps those types of assets. It's not that we are going into a recession that we have been awaiting for 3 years, or inflation is going to spike up that we have been talking about for a long time.